Hi. If you'd like to be able to practice the sun salutation sequence at home, this video is for you. I'm going to guide you through all the steps on each side of your body, and then you just repeat them. The sun salutation series is great for balancing, for stretching your spine, and for giving you some vitality. So here we go. Bringing your hands to heart center, taking a deep breath. Inhale here and exhale, release your hands in your arms. Reaching up to the sky, look up, lengthen through the spine. Take a nice big breath here, and then on your exhale, bend your knees. Slowly bring your hands down to the ground, releasing your head, and then you can inhale and looking up, bringing your right foot back, then send your knee down to the ground. With palms pressing against the ground, send your left foot back and press back for one breath in downward facing dog. Inhale, look forward, bend your knees, and then bending just at the elbows, send your chin down towards the ground, and then shift your weight and inhale, leaving your belly down on the ground. Lift your chest up, take a breath in cobra, and then tucking your toes back under you, come back on the out breath into downward facing dog. Inhale, look forward, send your right foot in. Here's a variation you can do, crescent moon. Come up with your arms over your head, arching your back, opening your heart to the sky. Inhale, and then exhale. Bring your hands back down to the ground, lifting up your back knee. Send the right foot back in next to the left. Lengthen through the spine with a nice flat back, and then continue your exhale into Uttanasana or forward bend. Inhale, look up, adding a little strength to the sequence, coming up into chair posture. Hold for a breath. And on your next inhale, come up, arch back, and bring your hands back into prayer. So we'll do it on the other side. Inhale, exhale. I'll just coach the breathing. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Take a breath. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, and exhale. Inhale, and exhale. Inhale. Take a breath. On your next inhale, reach up, arch back, salute that beautiful sun, both outside and on the inside. Namaste. Thank you.